Okay guys, my phone did it again. I'm sorry, I'll try to make this quick. So go over to Tasha's channel, Mom to an Angel Boy, Twins, Dogs and Dolls, and find out a little bit about her and her children. She has twins, of course, and then her son Waylon. I don't want to speak about it too much here because it's not my story to tell, but I would really appreciate it if you did go visit her channel. I'll put a link down below for you to go meet Tasha and just show her a little love. And so that brings me to the giveaway that I will be doing. The rules for the giveaway are as follows. You must be 18 years of age to enter. You must reside in the US or Canada. And you must go over to Tasha's channel and subscribe to her channel. You don't have to subscribe to mine unless you want to, but one of the requirements to enter the giveaway is to go to her channel and subscribe to her channel. Also, find the video where she does a box opening of the painted kit I painted for her, and it is the 3-month Joseph. It was about 2 years ago, and Joseph 3 months is in the title of her video, so you shouldn't have any problems finding it. It's one of 2 videos. The first one is where she shares the nickname that she is giving Joseph. So, in order to enter the giveaway, I need you to email me. My email address is found in my About page or my About tab. Go ahead and email me. It's emmabreborns@gmail.com, and let me know what Joseph's nickname is in that video. And again, that is her channel name, Mom to an Angel Boy, Twins, Dogs, and Dolls. My email address is emmabreborns@gmail.com, and I need you to subscribe to Tasha's channel and provide the nickname that Tasha gave baby Joseph in that video. And that'll enter you into the giveaway. I'll make a video in the next week or so letting you know what the giveaway, what I'll be giving away in the giveaway. It won't be anything big. It's not going to be a reborn or anything, so keep that in mind when entering. It'll be something small but useful and meaningful, and you'll love it. So it's definitely worth entering. And that's all I have for you today. I can tell my phone is going to start dying again, so I am going to go ahead and say goodbye. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. Otherwise, I look forward to getting your email with your entry for my giveaway. So I will talk to you all soon. God bless and take care. Bye.